Me and my family decided to destroy a washing machine. And boy, it was fun.
Oh, it's already started. He's okay right now.
Probably give you some speed. I don't know if that's spin or what. Here we go.
Uh-oh. Kind of does. It's doing okay.
When the washing machine wasn't doing much action, we decided to move the rocks that were inside the washing machine all to one side.
I'm on one side now.
Hey, come on. Oh, is it not? Oh, there it goes.
As the washing machine rocked a little bit more, we added more rocks to it. But when we had one giant rock join the fray, everything changed.
I think that's it, Chloe.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, it busted the drum.
It's smoking out the back.
It is?
Okay.
I thought it was fine for a second. It was so smooth. That scared me.
Because it busted the whole drum.
Wow. What's the inside look like?
It's broke.
Oh, wow. Hey, Mom, come look at the bottom. See, I knew the rocks would do it. How much you want to bet it was that huge one that did
The
it?
guys that come get appliances are going to be upset about it. So, well, it broke. I don't know what's wrong with it. It broke.